All right, guys, next we're going to our final process map. It is a circular process map. This is used to represent continuous or cyclical processes. So here you'll see the example of that we have here, but you also see the guide on how to use this. If you want a full guide with pictures and just more details, you can click on the read full guide. But here you can see an example of a plan, do, check, and act cycle. So you can see here it goes from 1, 2, 3, and 4, telling you to identify the opportunity, test, change, or small scale, review, and then act. So it's just going in a continuous process that you have here. So you can also see the title is here. And so, similar to the other tools, we want to come here and we look at our AI assistant. You can either do it by text or you can do it by image. And if you have an existing process or an existing work instruction in the future, we will make this PDF as well so it can go through an entire document. But for now, it just has to be an image. And so you can come in here and look at that image. And then if you want to do it from scratch, you can do that as well. But you can come in here and look at the process that is currently in there. And so you have 1, 2, 3, and you have the different processes in here. And so if you go back out, you can see this is what is on the actual tool. So if we want to come in here and let's say create a process for a McDonald's drive through. I guess they say McDonald's drive through. All right. Now you can see here. You have arrival and order confirmation and payment, order preparation, order pickup, order departure. And so if we click edit, you can actually come here and edit your actual map. You can edit the size, make it wider, make it a little bit taller on the height as well. So these are just some different things that you can do. And so you want to see all of the different borders that you can adjust to as well. So it's just some things that you can do in this tool. But you guys have multiple options. And so these are the different process maps that we have.